Hi friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss how to create and execute HTML programs, HTML headings, HTML paragraph and HTML break statement. So I sincerely request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First, let me discuss how can we create and execute HTML programs. We can use basic built-in text editor like Notepad in Windows operating system and text editor in Mac operating system. So we does not require any specified software to create any HTML program. Using the Notepad itself, we can create the HTML programs if you are using the Windows operating system. If you are using the Mac operating system, you can use the text editor. We should save the HTML program with an extension called HTML or HTM. Suppose if you are writing any C program, when you are saving the C program, you will give an extension called .c. It specifies that this program is related to the C program. Similarly, whenever you are writing any Java program and saving it, you will give an extension called Java. Similarly, whenever you are writing any Python program, you will give an extension called .py. So each file in the system will have an extension. It specifies that what kind of file it is. Suppose you are writing this Word file. This have an extension called .docx. So I can say that this file is a Word file. Similarly, if you are opening any PPT and saving it, it will have an extension called PPT or PPTX. So each file will have an extension. So similarly, a HTML program should save with a file name and extension as HTML or HTM. Further, we can save the programs anywhere in your system. So you no need to store in the desktop or any C drive or D drive. Wherever you want to save the programs, you can save it. Or if you want to create a specified folder called HTML programs in the desktop, you can do it. In that HTML programs folder, you can save all the programs which you are practicing. So any HTML program can be saved anywhere in the system. Now we will discuss practically how can we create and execute HTML programs in Windows operating system. So I will go to the desktop. In the desktop, you can see there are several files are there. Out of that, I have created one folder specifically to store all the HTML programs. The folder name is HTML programs, which was created on 13/10/2022 at 6:01 a.m. Now let me double click on this one and then I will right click on it and then you can see new text document. I will write it as my first HTML program. Now I will double click on this one. Then you can see a notepad file have been created. In this one I will write the program. The structure consists of doc type HTML. It specifies that this is a HTML program and then you need to write the HTML open tag. And in HTML, you will have two sessions. One is the head and another one is the body. The head session consists of the titles, script, metadata, all these things, which will not be displayed on the web page. However, you will have the body tag. Inside the body tag, whatever the content you are writing will be displayed on the web page. So first let me write the open tag of the head and then I want to give a title for this web page. I will say that Parnika tutorials. Now let me write the close tag for the title. Every open tag you should provide with a close tag. However, few tags which are not required for the close tag. Then let me provide the close tag for the head tag and then I will write the body tag. Whatever I write in the body tag will be displayed on the web page. I will write welcome to Parnika tutorials YouTube channel. Then I will close the body tag and then I will close the HTML tag. So if you look at carefully, we have the doc type HTML, and then we have opened the HTML tag, and then we have closed it, and then we have opened the head tag, and then here we have closed the head tag. Inside the head tag I have written the title tag. Inside the title tag I have written the title as Parnika Tutorials, and then I have opened the body tag, and here I have closed. Inside the body tag I have written a statement called welcome to Parnika Tutorials YouTube channel. Now let me save this one, close this one, and now you need to change the extension. You need to go to the show more options, and then you can see here rename, and I will rename it as my first HTML program only. The file name I'm not changing. Instead of the txt, which is an extension for the text file, I'm making it as .html. So now this program will be an HTML program. Now you can see there is a caution message for us. If you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Yes, I want to change it. So let me click on the yes, and now you can see the file have been created, and then there is a logo here which is Firefox logo. Now in your system there will be several web browsers will be there. What is the purpose of a web browser? The web browser is useful for you to browse the internet. Out of the several web browsers which are available in your system, one browser will be a default browser. That default browser logo will be displayed here. If I want to run this HTML program, I can double click on this one. Once I double click on this one, you can see the title will be displayed as Parnika Tutorials, and you can see the content as welcome to Parnika Tutorials YouTube channel. So we have written the head tag. Inside the head tag we have provided the title tag to display the title of the web page. What is the title I have provided there? Parnika Tutorials. That title have been displayed here. In the body tag I have written the content as welcome to Parnika Tutorials YouTube channel. That content have been displayed on the web page. Now if you want to close it, you can close it, and if you want to run it in another browsers, then you can right click on this one, and then you can go with open with option. Then you can select any browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. If you click with Google Chrome, then this HTML program will be executed and will be displayed in the output on the Google Chrome web browser. Look at here, you can see the content has been displayed same as previously. Now we are executing this and displaying the output on the Google Chrome. Like this, you can create any HTML program and also execute it. Now let me discuss in detail about the headings. These tags help us to give headings to the content of a web page. In a web page, you will have a lot of content. In that content, you want to provide the headings. Suppose look at here. Here I have provided the headings as how to create and execute HTML programs. In that one, I have written this content. Similarly, I have created another heading called HTML headings. Like this, if you want to create the headings in web page also, you can do with the help of heading tags. So these tags help us to give headings to the content of a web page. These tags are mainly written inside the body tag, because in the body tag only we will write the content which need to be displayed on the web page. So for that web content only you are providing the headings, right? So that's why the heading tag should be there in the body tag. HTML provides us with 6 heading tags from H1 to H6. Using these tags, we can provide the headings in the web page. So as I said earlier, we have 6 heading tags from H1 to H6. Using these heading tags, we can display the headings in the web page. However, generally we will use the heading tags such as H1, H2, H3 usually. We will does not prefer H4, H5, H6. Every tag display the headings in different font size. Suppose if you use the H1 heading tag, the font size will be large as compared to H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Among H1 to H6, the font size will be less in the H6, and H1 one will have the large font size. So every tag display the heading in different font size. Now let me discuss the syntax of using h1 to h6 tags in the HTML. If you want to use the h1 tag, then you should write h1 open tag, and whatever the content you want to write, that content you can write here. I will write hi friends. And every open tag should have a close tag. Now this is the open tag and it is a close tag. Inside that one I have written the content as hi friends. So this hi friends content will be written as a heading with a large font size. Similarly, I can write hi friends and provide the close tag of h2. Similarly, let me copy this one and paste it everywhere. And then here I will change it as h3, h4, h5 and h6. So every open tag should have the corresponding close tag. Now we will discuss practically these concepts in a HTML program. So here I will right click on this and create a new text document, and I will write it as headings, and I will double click on this file. Then it will open the Notepad. Here I will write the program. So I need to follow the particular structure, right? So what is the structure? First I need to provide the doc type and within HTML. Then I need to open the HTML open tag and I have to provide the close tag. Inside the HTML tag, you will have two main tags. One is the head tag and the body tag. Here I will open the head tag and I will provide the close tag. And then I will open the body tag and I will close the body tag. And in the head tag, I need to use the title tag to display the title of the web page. I will say example for heading tag and I will close the title tag here. Now let me go to the body tag, and here I will write the information which need to be displayed on the web page. So here already we have written the syntax right. Let me copy this one and paste it here. So look at here what I have done. I have written the doc type HTML and then I have opened the HTML tag, and here I have closed the HTML tag. Then I have opened the head tag. Inside the head tag I want to provide the title of the web page, so I have opened the title tag and then I have written example for heading tags and I have closed the title tag and closed the head tag. Now I have opened the body tag. Inside the body tag, whatever the information I want to display, that information I have written and closed the body tag. Here angular brackets closing you have not provided. So now let me save this program and then I will go to the show more options, rename, and I need to change the extension of txt to HTML. Then it will give a caution message. I will click on the yes, and then you can see headings.html. Now if you want to execute, double click on this one. Then you can see the title of the web page is example for heading tags, and the information has been displayed here. Hi friends with a large font size. 6 times hi friends have been displayed using the several heading tags from h1 to h6. Among h1 to h6, you can observe h1 tag font size is higher as compared to the other tags, and h6 font size is very less. Generally, we will use h1, h2, h3 tags to provide the heading in the web page. Now let me discuss in detail about the paragraph. This tag helps us to write paragraph statements on a web page. Now whenever you are displaying the information on the web page, you need to write the paragraph, right? I think everyone know what is a paragraph. Okay, so this paragraph can be written with the help of paragraph tag. The syntax to provide the paragraph tag is you need to write angular brackets and p. So this is the open tag, and then whatever the paragraph you want to write, you can write it here, and then you should have the closed tag. So you need to provide the open tag and then write the information, whatever the information you want to display, and then you need to have the corresponding close tag also. Now let me discuss practically how can we use the paragraph tag in HTML. So I will go to the desktop and a folder called HTML programs. Then I will right click and go to the new and you can see text document. I will write paragraph and I will double click on this one, then a notepad will open, and again I can write dot type HTML. If you are lazy, you can modify the content in the previous programs itself, but as a beginners it is useful for you to write the structure of an HTML program several times, so it will be easy to remember for you. So I will have the HTML open tag and close tag. Inside the HTML tag I will have two main tags. One is the head tag and then body tag. So I will open the head tag and close the head tag. Similarly, body tag also opening and then closing. Now inside the head tag, I will provide the title which need to be displayed on the web page. I will say paragraph tag, and then I will provide the end tag of the title, and then close the head tag and then body tag. Here I will display the information. I will provide the heading tag which is H1. I will say example for paragraph tag, and then you close the H1 head tag, and then I will open the paragraph tag P, and here I will write the information. Parnika Tutorials YouTube channel is providing various CSC courses for free of cost to all the students. Now let me close the paragraph tag. Then again I will open the paragraph tag. Here I will write the information. These videos are useful to the students who are preparing for GATE exam, university exams, etc. And then let me close the paragraph tag. So now let me save this program, and then let me close it, and I will change the extension. I will go to the show more options, rename, and I will change the extension from txt2 to HTML. Then you can get a message. You just click on yes, and then you can see the icon as Firefox, which is the default browser in my system. Then if I want to run this program, I will double click on this one. Then you can see the title is paragraph tag, and you can see the content as example for paragraph tag. The spelling is mistake. I'm really sorry for it. And then you can see Parnika Tutorials YouTube channel is providing various CSC courses for free of cost to all the students. This is one paragraph, and another paragraph is these videos are useful to the students who are preparing for GATE exam, university exam, etc. So like this you can use the paragraph tag. Now let me discuss in detail about the break tag. This tag is useful for inserting a single line break in the web content. It does not have any close tag. So any break tag you will have only the open tag, and that tag you should use whenever you want to provide a single line break. Now let me discuss practically about the break tag by writing a simple program. Let me go to the desktop and HTML programs. Then you can see there are several programs are there, like headings.html, my first HTML program, and then paragraph. Now let me modify any program here. So I will go to the paragraph.html, and then I will click open with. I will choose show more options. There I will click more apps, and then Notepad. So again, if you modify the content, you can open this one in the Notepad. Now let me provide the break statement here. Parnika Tutorials YouTube channel. After that one, I want to provide a single line break. So I have provided a tag as BR. Similarly, is providing various CSC courses. Let me provide a break here. And then I will write for CSC courses. You are providing the end tag, so that is fine. These videos are useful to the. I will provide a break statement here, and here also I will provide the break statement. Then content will be displayed for you like Parnika tutorials YouTube channel, that one will be displayed in a single line. Then is providing various CSC courses will be provided in the next line, and then for CSC courses for free of cost to all the students, that will be displayed in another line. Then these videos are useful to the will be displayed in another line. Like that, whenever you have provided the break tag, then a single line break will be given to the web content. Now let me save this program and close it, and then I want to run this one, or I want to execute this program. So let me double click on this one. Now you can see the title is paragraph tag, and the heading I have provided as example for paragraph tag. Now you can see how the content has been displayed. You can see here Parnika tutorials YouTube channel has been displayed in a one line. In the next line you can see is providing various CSC courses. Then you can see the content as for free of cost to all the students. Like this, if you want to display the content, then you can use the paragraph tag and break tag. I hope you have understood all the concepts which I have discussed in this video. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.